up to install it.
Check if you have DPA access or not. The tile, are you able to see DPA?
No,
CyberArk,
I don't.
So go to identity administration and provide yourself access.
Okay.
I think you know how to give you access now.
Yeah, I will just add my user name in that role.
So everyone do the same. Yeah. Provide yourself access. Refresh. Log out. Let's see.
Yeah, now I can see.
Okay, perfect. Now go to connector management. Hope everyone is following the same steps. Yes.
Yep.
Guys, all in Friday mode, I think. Okay, so let's proceed to SIA connector. Here you add your connector. Now, if you deploy in one pool, then it would be a kind of a load balancing. Okay.
Okay.
So select AWS because
right?
it's a AWS instance and it's going to create a log for you. Sorry, a script for you.
Okay. Here, can I use my connector pool?
Yes. It's a Windows, not Linux.
I need to copy this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
And go to
then,
your connection.
You mean the connector, right?
Yes, your connector server.
Okay.
And open the PowerShell as administrator and run it. Anyone is facing the problem, please let me know if you're stuck somewhere. Hope everyone has their own connector server. If anyone still has doubt, please let me know. So Patil, let me start your instance.
Yeah, could you please paste the instance in chat?
Can you start my instance as well? Because of it's not opening.
Anil,
Mm-hmm.
please share my instances in chat.
Okay.
Yeah.
This for Saurav. Even Lakshmi, you facing the problem?
Yes, Anil.
Let me restart your instance and provide you the new one. So it's deployed, Santosh?
Yes. Yes.
Now try to check the services. Is it there in your connector?
Yeah, yeah, actually, it is there.
Okay,
API
perfect. Now
connect.
try to connect outside from your um, workstation. Try to connect to the server and check if you're able to take the session or not.
So this SIA is totally managed by the CyberArk, right? We don't have to upgrade or anything. We don't have to take care, right?
Mm, Great, we don't see that. Yeah, as if now that's the update that we have. Great SIA. So far, never heard of it. So I think it's completely managed by CyberArk. Let me check if they have any kind of article.
I'm not getting option to connect, and so I think I don't have access. So,
You need to go to VPA.
Anil, still I'm getting the same error. I'm not able to connect to that my instance.
Are you trying the new one? The one
Yeah,
which I pasted.
yeah,
Just check if it is taking the
yeah,
old one.
yeah. I tried the new one only, which you have pasted now.
Oh, okay. Go to connection guidance. Yeah. Okay. Give it a minute, Lakshmi.
Okay.
Yeah, connect to the target server. So target server FQDN is target.cyberpam.corp. Let me reboot your instance one more time. Still facing, then we'll have to provision a new one.
and the target user is as hyphen reconcile, right?
Yeah, S-reconcile, correct. And just give me 1 second. Do not click on connect now. Please wait.
Okay.
Yeah, try it again. Now connect.
RDP file, right?
Yeah, click on it. So it is asking you to authenticate. Lakshmi, let me give you a new server, okay? Please wait.
Yeah, okay.
What happened? Is it going through again and again?
It is not taking the password. I'm not able to paste.
It's your domain password, right?
Yeah, but I'm not able to copy paste here. Yeah, I have to write here.
I'll have to give you, Lakshmi, I will have to give you a new server. Someone has used it. and provision new one. So let me provide you. Vishnu Prasad. So he has deployed that. Vishnu. He has not deployed the CP and the PSM. Uh, Anyways, you can use it. But it is asking you to provide the authentication again, right? So do one thing, close it, leave it, close it.
Let me just check if it's taking my password or not.
So what it says?
Same error.
Okay, check the safe whether you have the access or not first. You have the connect access.
No, at that time I told you like I'm not seeing that option to connect here.
Go to that safe and check if you have that access.
Uh,
Lakshmi, try this one.
Yeah, sure. I'll try.
Neil, can you also give me the access? I also deployed the page here.
Give me 1 second. You're not able to add yourself.
No, I'm also not able to see the members here. Let me see if I can add myself. No, I don't think I have edit permission as well.
Okay, let me grant you the permission. So let me allow permission to everyone to our group.
Yeah.
So CyberArk. Vault administrator, full access, done. Okay. Now here it is asking you the password again, right? When
Yeah.
you download
So
that RTP. So
mhm.
check that option. So it shouldn't allow you to re-authenticate it. Okay. So that is the
Yeah, yeah.
reason we checked it.
Apply, right?
Click on apply. Yes. And try again now.
Let me first check if I am able to see that account.
Dipesh, I think I just pinged you the ID. Okay. Try connecting again.
ID, which ID?
Instance
Okay.
ID. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. Okay.
Yeah, no, that account access SA reconcile. I will try to access through SIA. So you provided the access?
Yes, access is provided. You need to deploy that SIA in your
I
server.
already
Connect to server.
deployed. Already deployed
Okay, now
on
try
my
to connect.
server.
But Anil, you have provided, but still I'm not seeing the option here in Privilege Cloud to connect and show. Like,
In some time, uh, we'll have to log out, log in, but try. Do not do that, but try with DPA.
okay.
Now, for first time login, can I use the administration built-in administration credential to log in the instance?
Hmm. Try you logging in with domain one. That is better.
So when it is not working, when I'm trying, it's asking password. When I'm entering the password, it is asking same.
Uh, Let me reset it.
Yeah, I'm getting that same error. Please retry contact use authentication failed. DP authentication error.
Hmm. Is it authentication error? What can we think of? You add it to the safe, well and good. You're a DP
No, but
administrator.
in Privilege Cloud, I am not seeing that option, right? First, I should be able to connect with the at least from PSM.
Check if you're getting now.
No.
Master policy is enabled. What can we? Can you just log out, log in again?
Mhm. Okay.
Is it the same for everyone? You're not able to see the connect option.
Not for me.
You see that, right?
Yes, yes.
Lakshmi, it's you. You are not able to log in, right? With your domain.
Yes, Anil.
You locked your account. Okay, let me unlock it. Try again. You have the login, right? How to log in? Your
Anil, what is the target address? Target.cyberarkpan.corp, right?
yes.
Can you paste it in the chat so that it will be no spelling mistake?
Okay, let me do it. Are you getting that now, Santosh? Connect option.
Yeah, now I can see connect option.
It's a kind of uh, cloud issue sometime.
No, but still I'm getting that authentication failed error.
Why authentication failed there? Go to system diagnostic. You should be able to connect. I don't see any problem connecting. So let's see. Go to that system diagnostic and check.
Due to an issue with the token used to avoid re-authentication generator file.
Yeah. Check. How about others? Is it the same problem?
Yes.
Okay, wait. Uh, Try now again. Try again, Santosh.
Okay. But we have disabled this, right? Again,
Yeah.
password.
Enter the domain password.
Fail to retrieve vaulted credential for user.
Mhm.
It worked for me, Anil.
Hmm?
I connected.
Okay.
Let me share my screen. Able to see?
Yeah. Okay. Perfect.
But it asked for the authentication. I provided my credential training one. Then it's connected.
Okay. Perfect. Can you log off? Does it allow only one or what? Yeah, I think that is the problem. It's only one account, right?
Logout means directly close or what?
Log out, sign out.
Then
Okay, perfect. Can you try now, Santosh?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Let's try one by one.
No, I think the issue is that we are using the different things. Like in the place of address, we are putting that target address, and in place of target domain, we are putting that target address.
Is it?
That's why. Yeah,
Okay.
yes, I also feel the same. So I interchange and then done that.
yeah, yeah. Due to that only.
So is it a naming
Now
mistake here?
No, it's an
I'm not on
interchange of
naming like
values.
yeah. Like in place of domain, we have provided address, and in place of address, we have provided domain. That's why we are getting that error.
Okay, so are we
Now
able to log
I'm
in?
also yeah, I'm also able to log in.
Yes.
For this SIA is also getting recording, like session recording is happening for this as well.
Yeah, it does.
Okay.
So we can check in audit.
You are sharing your screen, Anil?
Hmm. Yes, give me 1 second. So if you go to audit here,
Mhm. Okay.
session monitoring. So this kind of recorded.
And can we check the live monitoring as well?
That we have to check. I think that is possible, but it's not giving the option here. So I think we supposed to be okay. Yeah, here play recording. So it's kind of
No, I guess session ended, right? Status is ended.
yeah. This is the ended one, but this is kind of like recording.
And this is inactive, but we are not seeing that uh, live recording or live session.
Yeah. So is it because of the live recording in the platform? So that is enabled, right? So we can see the recording here, live recording, if it is going through the PSM or through the DPA. We check here if it is coming. It shouldn't be. That is a shared feature, so it won't come here. Anyways. Hmm. But let me check on that one because I tried to find, I couldn't find that. But it should be possible to do the live recording as well.
And check that as well, like whether we need to upgrade this SI or it is automatically managed by the CyberArk.
Should be automatically managed, but let me check on that one as well. In the DPA, go to settings. So you
And
can
here,
set the
what is the
time.
meaning of this vaulted credential and the other one? Vaulted means the password which are in stored in the vault.
Mhm.
What other option do you write?
Yeah, there are other option that is one is which is like volted, other one is something just in time access. Okay, so
Okay.
it will try to take the session just for like just in time kind of access you can access.
So, but that account password will be also stored in the vault only, right?
I have not tested that functionality. We'll have to check that one for that. Recording is there here. So
Anil, what
I have
is
to
Kubernetes connection? There are four
uh,
category Kubernetes.
uh, connect to Kubernetes connection. I think that's the one. So because DPA we can deploy in SSH and in the Windows.
No means what it will connect like.
I'm not tested yet, so we'll have to
Okay,
test that.
okay,
Yeah.
okay.
And if you going through, this is the functionalities here, settings that you will find mostly. Okay, feel free to explore these settings. Now, if you are trying to connect to the Linux environment, okay, if you're connecting to the AIX or Solaris server, sometimes you see that their login standard, they use a different one, right? Different syntax in order to log
Yes,
in.
yes, yeah.
So you can go and you can change it here. If it is a different syntax, the shell language is using. So this is where you change it. Okay. I have turned this off. I
For
have
Linux
uploaded
one,
this.
we need the Linux connector or we can use Windows connector.
We should use the Linux connector. I don't think so. We
Okay.
can connect to the SSH. So if I try this like target settings, TLS certificate authentication. Mostly it fails. I think we would require like a certificate team for the troubleshooting purpose. I have uploaded the certificate here. So this is where we upload the certificate. I did the certificate upload, but due to some reason it doesn't work. So can one of you try connecting again and check if it is allowing us to connect or giving the error?
Is it
Okay, but I
mandatory to
can
add the
see the
certificate?
for the certificate
Yes.
expiry date is 17 April. Today is 18th.
Yeah, 26, 2026.
Okay,
26.
2026. Okay, then it is fine.
Yeah.
So we can upload, we can use the default certificate, or we need to upload third-party certificate.
You can upload the third certificate if your organization is going through external certificate. You can upload that one. Otherwise, the target that you're trying to connect, upload that target certificate here. What are the target that you want to connect securely? So what it will do, SIA will try to represent this certificate to the target server so that it can enable the connection.
So on the target machine as well, the certificate need to be same.
We have to create it from the target certificate. I mean, target server will have to create this certificate, export it, and upload it here. Okay, so let me show you how I have done. Anyone connected? Is it connecting?
I'm getting that target certificate error.
Yeah, that's the problem. So for that purpose, I have kept this off so that it shouldn't go through the certificate authentication.
Yeah, but if our certificate is valid, then why we are getting this error?
Yeah, that's what like we have to troubleshoot with the certificate team and the AD team. Why is it not allowing? But if you see a different way, let me know. We can check that, right? So third dot MSC. So I've created a certificate in the personal one. This is the target certificate. I exported this. Export DR format. Download SIA. Save. Next. Then export it. And this is the same certificate I have uploaded there. Or do I need to move this certificate into trusted one?
Can you
Is it?
show again, please? Can you show again, Kamil?
Yeah, so this is the certificate already generated. Okay. I click on export.
How you
This
generated
open.
this one?
Yeah, I have generated this one.
Means how it was generated?
I use the PowerShell command in order to generate that certificate. Find it what was. So let me delete it. Run as administrator. Not bad. And this is the command that I have used in order to generate a certificate. So do we have to add any extra attributes here? If anyone good with the AD and the certificate? It has created that. Refresh. This is the certificate. Export. Next. I don't want to export the private key. We are in the file, replace it. Done. That's I have done, and I'm going to
So in
upload
the
this
production
certificate.
environment, how it actually works,
You
what is
would
your
require.
experience? We can ask
It's
Wintel
a
team to provide the server certificates, which is common to every server, right?
Yeah. So if your company is using the certificate service, then yes, you can get that, which is used to communicate with all the servers, target servers. You can upload that certificate. If it is one by one target, then try to create a certificate on each every server and upload that certificate.
We cannot bypass it. Is it mandatory?
Yeah, it is security purpose. Yes, it is mandatory in the production environment. You can't go turning it off. This feature, which brings a risk. Yeah. Okay, let's try again. Can anyone give a try?
Why you added two certificate here?
This is a deleted one, which I have deleted recently. So I've created a new one today and I uploaded that, right?
Mm, It's deleted. Or it is still there, right?
Yeah, I can delete it here. It's fine. So let me know if it is working.
Trying.
Yeah.
Same error. Target certificate.
You will have to turn it off in this one. So you see, for security reason, we recommend to set TLS certificate validation on at all the time. So this is because it is tunneling the HTML session, right? HTML5 gateway. So that is the reason it is mandatory. Otherwise, externally using SIA feature can log in into the target server. So it is opening a kind of gateway, right? So that is the reason it is required strictly.
So you put it off. We need to put it on, right?
Yeah, so if you put it on, it is doing certificate validation, right? And it is not
Okay.
going through the session. So that is the reason I have kept it off, because we are not in production. It's a training environment,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Okay. Now let's do one thing. Let's try to integrate this SIA that you have deployed with your connector, the PSM, and check if we are able to use the HTML gateway 5. Okay. So can any one of you share the screen, please? Who has deployed the SIA and who has deployed the PSM as well?
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen.
I hope everyone get it how this SIA works now, right? In the customer environment.
Yeah, in the SIA we see there is a just-in-time option is there. What it means just-in-time?
You can test it. Let me try to prepare on that. if possible.
Just-in-time elevation with the vaulted credential.
Yes. Okay. Let me check if I can create a demo in this environment.
Can you give means what it mean? Inform what it mean. What does it mean by this?
It's a kind of just-in-time access. So let me grab more information on this. Okay, so we have deployed the SIA. Now let's do one thing. All good till here. Give me a second. Now go to CyberArk, this one. Connection, administration connection.
Um, this one only, right? It is already allow connect to console.
Is it my screen? Yeah. Okay. Sorry. So you see what you have deployed. You can see your HTML Gateway 5 or SIA in connection components in connection privilege session manager management configured PSM gateway servers. So check there.
Like
Yeah,
you
there
mean
only.
in connector management?
No. Here only.
Okay.
Go back. Yeah. So in this one, not in RDP, configured PSM gateway, configuration option.